Kind of because it looks like mouldy Shrek poo. Whoa. Does anyone else's dad get like super offended by all the baddies on Love Island? Oh my god, what the fuck? Who it is, star of the show. Drive with me. Hello, yeah. Good morning, sexy bitches. This is why my ad breaks are dropping. Good morning, my beautiful rays of sunshine. Oh, how nice was that? I should be resting my voice today because my tonsils are currently the size of golf balls. But guess what I'm doing? The exact opposite. These guys are beautiful. Make love to you. I thought I would vlog today because I feel like when I vlog I'm a better person, and I haven't really got any work to do all day today unless any emails come in. I feel like kind of a bit of a loose end. I just want to lie in the sun all day, but then I'll hate myself afterwards. And I know if I vlog I'm more likely to go to the gym, because guess who hasn't been to the gym once this week? Ironic, seeing as I posted a story last week talking about how I've been going 5 days a week for the last 3 weeks. Probably gained all that weight back. Love that for me. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you on a regular day in my very exciting life. This is the best face wash in the world, by the way. L'Oreal Pure Clay Charcoal. Whoa, my face is red. Okay, I'm gonna sit in my parents' room because wow, this lighting though. Oh wow, Emma! She's got the perfect YouTuber setup and she doesn't even know it. Whoa, does anyone else's face go super red and patchy after they wash it? That's my moisturiser. Cheers for stealing that, Emma. Just joking. I'll let you have it just this time. Kind of because it looks like mouldy Shrek poo. Nicest part of the day. And if anyone was wondering what moisturiser is, it's this Hemp Dr. Botanicals moisturiser. It's actually really nice. It was gifted to me by Beauty Bear, so thank you, Beauty Bear. I've been watching this YouTuber. Oh fuck, I can't remember her name. Let's get it up. I literally watched her this morning. I'm so bad with names. It's called Olivia Neal, and she's literally my favourite person in the whole entire world. She's Irish. I think Northern Irish, maybe. Oh no, I didn't do geography. And she's just the funniest person ever. I'm actually obsessed with her, and she's just so rude. I feel like if you like my videos, you'll love hers even more. So actually maybe don't watch her because my views will go down. Olivia, I love you, but this is a career, sweetheart. I'm literally joking. I'm so annoying. Example number 1 of how vlogging makes me a better person. My bedroom is currently a fucking state. And if I weren't to be vlogging, I wouldn't clean it. But because I am, I'm going to. Really that simple, and I hope you don't see my bum because I am in bikini bottoms. Does anyone else's dad get like super offended by all the baddies on Love Island? Because I swear to God, house is shaking anytime a cheek comes on screen. I'm undecided. I'm undecided. I'm over this already. And I probably should have told you I had this way. Oh my god, what did I say at the beginning of the video? I should be resting my voice today. I hate myself. My baby keeps popping out in my top. Right, so I'm on. It takes a certain type of mentally unstable to be able to do this job. But thank God for that, because I'd be careerless, honey. Chamomile tea it is. If you're ever in doubt, chamomile tea. Feeling a bit chubby? Chamomile tea. Feeling a bit bloated? Chamomile tea. Skin shit? Chamomile tea. Boyfriend's being a swat? Chamomile tea. British sun is so much different to Spanish sun. Is that because you're closer to the sun in Spain? I don't know. I didn't do geography. Hey guys, welcome back to my ASMR. Ugh, that's gross. Oh, for fuck's sake, I didn't put enough bloody water in the kettle. Oh, my lens has steamed up. Right, so it really hasn't been that long, maybe like 40 minutes, so you really haven't missed out on much because I've just been watching Olivia Neal because I'm obsessed with her. Watch me think I'm Olivia Neal for... I'm gonna stop that right now. I'm gonna go lie out in the sun and try and sweat. I was about to say sweat out this hangover. Who do I think I am? Do I go out? Not anymore. Let's set this baby down in my garden. Can't even see me. Probably a good thing. I'm just watching Hope's video. I've got done sunbathing. Update, gym's not happening. Not happening. I'm actually going off into town, my local town, which is not so local because it's actually 25 minutes away. So I'm just kind of making myself look a little bit more presentable. I also need to take a photo for an Instagram ad that I'm doing, which I'm actually really excited about because I really love the brand. I also think I've kind of burnt my top lip a little bit. It's like really red and sore, but oh, that glow. And that patchy foundation. Whoa. See, this is a problem because your neck is never exposed to the sun. My body is this color, my neck is this color. I promise you, I am not red. This is brown. It looks proper red on camera. I can just, the saturation on this camera is really high. Now I finished taking my, So now I've finished taking my Instagram. I'm ready to go out into town. I'm wearing this Motel Rocks dress, which I literally wear every day, but it's so comfortable and I'm feeling quite swollen because I've been in the heat all day. So it's just really easy to throw on. Motel Rock, I love you. Please take me to Ibiza next time. I didn't actually mention what I was doing in town though. I'm going to get an LVL, which is like a lash lift, but you need a patch test beforehand. I think I'm gonna do a whole sort of holiday prep video because I'm not one of those girls. Goes, get the nails done, tan, hair, lashes. I just never has been me. I kind of feel a bit left out and I want to take part. Wow, the summer sun is really doing bits. Emma and Howard out here in the element and the sun blessing me with a beautiful shade of terracotta. But I'm off now. Have a good night. Here she is, the little silver whip. This is my little baby Fiesta. She doesn't have a name because do I look like I own a Fiat 500? No. Oh, bloody hell, it's like a sauna in here. Ooh, perfect setup. Drive with me. Wow, okay, why have I not delved into that yet? Should I risk losing my iPhone battery for the tunes? Yeah, let's do it. Listen, it's a beautiful summer day. I've got to make this drive. Sorry, it's a beautiful summer's day. I need to make this drive as enjoyable as possible. Okay, maybe I am a little bit burnt. How cute is my phone case too? Some skinny dip. Okay, let's put a shuffle on. Oh my god, what the fuck? Cat fight? What? Two cats just flew out of nowhere and started attacking each other. Also, I know my cartilage looks really ugly, but basically the ball from like my cartilage piercing fell out. I put like a metal piercing in and then the metal started to burn my ear because I'm like one of those annoying people who was born allergic to metal in orifices of my body. Is a piercing an orifice? Oh no. So I had to borrow like one of my mum's sterling silver earrings. So it's like this fat F-off stud. Oh baby, alright. Oh yeah, come on. This is exactly my vibe today. I've made it into the stratosphere, aka Stratford-upon-Avon. I can see Boots in front of me and I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna get some wax strips first. I've been looking for the waxing strips for what feels like an hour and I cannot find anything. I did find these. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna happen on this moonhead. Just thought I broke them. Jesus Christ, this is stressful. If you ever wondered what Stratford-upon-Avon looks like, basically just Shakespeare stuff everywhere. I was in that Boots up at this bit that was far away because basically you get free parking and CBA to pay for parking. Probably why I got a parking ticket the other day. I'm in the line and then I'm like, shit, I've got eyebrow dye, and I felt too awkward to like turn around and go back because there were other people behind me and I just got really embarrassed because obviously I'm on low. And then I get up to the cash point and I could have just gone back, picked it up, got in the queue again, but no, my social anxiety has forced me to walk all the way into town to go and pick it up. Okay, and there's like a group of boys I know. Bye. Who it is, star of the show. Hard at work or hardly working?
Bit of both.
Bloody hell, it's hot. Right, so I'm all finished up now in town. I got my eyebrow dye. Woo! I think this filter is a personal favourite of mine. It just really flatters the contours, you know. I am wearing a bikini top, by the way. It's just strapless, don't worry. Right, so I'm now editing this vlog and I realised that I am the worst YouTuber in the world. What's new? And I forgot to do an outro, so here I am doing an outro. To be honest, that night I didn't really do anything that interesting. I sent off my like ad brand deal pics, I did a few more emails, and then I just watched YouTube, played Sims, and watched Love Island all night. Banging social life of mine. But if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you would like to see more from me. Leave requests and comments in the comment section down below. You know how it be, sweetie. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active on my... That's awkward, it came up. I'm most active on my Instagram if you'd like to go and follow me over there. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!